can be hard to open up to people, but that's really what art is. It's opening yourself up to somebody else in a different way.
It's why I keep going on day after day. Art is capable of change.
One thing that I was really looking for from an MFA program was I wanted to level up my craft because I felt like I was really stalling out. I also knew that I wanted a community.
We have students who are fresh out of college, and then we have students who are much further along in their life journey and are coming back because maybe this is a dream that they've had for a long time.
VCFA has brought together this incredible group of artists, writers, musicians, and they're all people who genuinely care about you. That is just life-changing.
The low-residency model worked for me in my life. I got an MFA while I was also working.
The low-residency model is a very intensive, very immersive experience. You are hitting the ground running with readings, workshops, one-on-one mentoring sessions.
Each residency is a little over a week long, and there's one for each of your 4 semesters and then one at the very end. They both feel like the conclusion of the previous semester and the looking ahead to the next semester.
I've always been a fan of student-led curriculum because at the end of the day, it's our project.
VCFA allows each of us faculty to focus entirely on the individual student.
The advisors, they don't just pour into your craft life, they pour into your life as a human. Having a small teacher-to-student ratio was great. It expedited my growth as not just a musician, but as a person. VCFA, it's geared toward you finding yourself as an individual.
I think the thing that surprises me the most about teaching here is how much I learn. That's something we impart to our students all the time, that you're not only here to learn from faculty, but to learn from one another.
If I can somehow educate my students in a way to sort of look in and figure out what it is they're actually interested in and what they want to do, that's rewarding to me.
We have all the programs here, and we're meeting all these incredible minds. Art is interdisciplinary.
We go to lectures and we learn and we get ideas. We go to workshop and we critique and then we get ideas for our own pieces.
At VCFA, there is this sort of magnetic thread that's connecting all of us, and it feels just like this thrumming of artistic energy on campus.
By the end of the program, they've gained confidence. That's really rewarding to see.
I was forced to go inward to find the meaning and really develop that voice and look at it and say, actually, you do have something to say.
It's been really instrumental in just figuring out who I want to be as a person and kind of starting that journey. I have more tools to navigate the world as an artist.